Hey there, hope you're doing well. It's June, it's pool season. Speaking of pools, I want to make sure you're up to date on the pool cancer situation. It's been going on in the area for over a year now, heavily in Williamson and Travis counties, but that concrete cancer has affected a lot of pools installed between 2017 and recently as, just in the last few months. So if you're dealing with a transaction that involves a pool, make sure you're doing a deep dive, make sure your buyers aren't getting into something with the concrete cancer situation going on. It could be really, really bad. On that note, insurance, homeowners insurance, I'm just personally reaching out to my clients to remind them to check their policies and make sure the replacement cost is keeping up with the cost of truly what it would cost to replace that home if it burns down. So just a friendly FYI, touch with your database. And then the other big thing we're seeing with insurance, the issues are 10-year-old roofs or older. Finding insurance to cover those is getting harder and harder. Something to think about when we're talking to our sellers on listings or we're talking to buyers. We've got to just be a little more updated and educated on what's going on in the homeowners insurance world because it really affects our buyers and sellers. I hope this helps. You guys take care.